stiffness, improve circulation, and help with muscle recovery from the comfort of home. The advertisements can make them seem like a replacement for professional treatment. But the real question is, what does the marketing say? Now, to be fair, massage devices can provide temporary relief from muscle tension and soreness. Many people find them helpful after exercise or long days at work. What it does well, provides temporary muscle relief. Massage and gentle heat may help reduce muscle tightness and improve comfort. Convenient home use. You can use the devices without visiting a massage therapist or clinic where the hype falls apart. It's not a medical treatment. A massager won't cure arthritis, repair injuries, or treat chronic pain conditions. Pain relief is usually temporary. Most users experience short-term comfort rather than permanent improvement. Results vary between individuals. The effectiveness depends on the cause of the pain, severity of symptoms, and how consistently the device is used. So, should you buy a GetMendable.com massager? Short answer, maybe, if you're looking for temporary muscle relief. If you want a convenient massage device to help ease everyday muscle tension, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to replace professional medical care or physical therapy for persistent pain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.